Hello everyone, I'm Syiqah and today I'm going to teach all Dodo Mat users how to install car mats for Sedan. Step 1. First, remove all the original car mats. Step 2. Let me show you how to install the heel pad. First, locate the heel position, then place the heel pad into the position located. Put the 6 clips provided into the hole and just click it to fasten it. Step 3. Fold the left and right side of the center mat to 90 degrees. Press your thumb on the middle of the aluminum sheet and then slowly fold it into 90 degrees. Step 4. Place the mat in the driver's seat and fix it in place. Open the upper layer and press the 2 clips to install it. Then you can install the mat in the passenger seat with the same method. Step 5. Install the mats in the back row. First, install the left and right mats before installing the mats in the center. Step 6. Install the boot mat. If you receive the boot mat in the opposite direction, install it in the same way as I did. Remove the 2 clips above, then remove the 2 boot mats. Flip it around and place it together. Then fasten the 2 clips to fix the mat into place.